Hello, my precious one, greetings to you all. Today again, I share with you how to make a yummy and a delicious chicken feet. If this is what you are interested to see, make yourself comfortable, take your joko leg right into the video. Make sure you help me to share the video in all your platforms. Let it be a blessing to others. Okay, so these are some of the things you just use to while away time for this season. Okay, so the first step is just what you are saying. Just make sure you use the scissors, take off every or 1/3 part from it. Yes, there are some that you can buy, it will come very clean. You only just need to do a little jobs on it. So this one, I'm only going to take off the unwanted part from it. It's very clean, but I will still need to wash it. Okay, so if you are not using scissors, you can also use knife like this. Anyone that best works for you, that is the right one to use. At this point, it's perfectly okay. I will add a very boiling water. Okay, I will add it to it in case if there is sand or things like that, so that it will be super clean. Okay, so I can't touch it because it's a hot water, a boiling one. Okay, so in case if it's not wet at this point, you can use your knife to scrape it. But this one is already scraped. I have nothing to take off from it again. Yes, it's just to use water to clean it, make sure it's very clean. So once I am done, the next thing I'm going to be doing, can you see? Nothing to peel out again. It came very clean. So I'll transfer it into a pot that I'm going to be using. The next step, I will go ahead, I will spice it. So first is this salt, powder seasoning, seasoning cube. So this is garlic and onions that I'm going to be using. So if you don't like garlic, you can skip it. So I will just go ahead and chop it. So at this point, I will just transfer it into the same pot. I will add just a little water, little. So I will just cover it. I will allow it to cook. As it's cooking, I will go there, I will stir it to make sure that every part of it is cooked. So at this point, it's perfectly okay, and the taste, oh my God, the taste na just elele, the taste na just come and see. At this point, I will just go ahead and fry it, but just a little bit, don't over dry. For you to enjoy it, you must not over fry it. You can even go ahead and add it into your sauce without frying it, but I don't really like it much. I love to fry it, but not over dry. Okay, just like what you are going to be seeing on the screen now. Yes, not really over dry, just fry it a little bit, you take it off from the oil. Let me holla some wonderful peoples in the house. Thank you guys for tuning in again. And if today is your first time coming across this channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Turn your notification bell by the right hand side. That is whenever we upload a new video, you will be getting a lot of our new video, and we upload it soon again. Thank you if you have done that. Please don't wait to finish this video before you like it. The greatest thing you can do for me watching this video is just your like. You can also comment, encourage somebody to do more. And if you have done so, I love you with the whole of my heart. And if you have not done so, I know God will touch your heart. You will do so. Thank you. Let me thank you in advance for liking, for sharing, and for your beautiful comments. So here is the tomatoes and scotch bonnet pepper I'm going to be using. I'm going to rough blend it. I hope that is a good English. Don't laugh, eh? So now, so this is how it goes. Raw blended, yes. So I still need to blend it just a little more. So at this point, it's perfectly okay. So before frying, this is what I'm going to be doing, just to reduce my stress, or to make it fast. So I will just take it to gas, just less than 10 minutes. All the water will separate from the tomatoes. I will just go ahead and filter it or drain it. Okay? Can you see what I'm doing? This is beautiful. Can you see the water that came out? So if I fry everything together, so I have to wait for a long time before it will be ready. So after like 10 to 15 minutes, there is no trace of water again. So I'm satisfied. I will now go ahead and fry it. So use a little bit of oil when you are doing this. I'll add my onions and I will stir until all the flavor have released inside the oil. So once I see that it's perfectly okay like this, I will take in the tomatoes. I'll add one seasoning cube again at this time. This one is just a little one, like a no. So this one is a thyme, a little bit of a curry, a little bit of a crayfish. So I will settle down and I will stir it. So once you see the trace of oils on it, you test. If there is a need of oil, a need of salt, just put a little. Then I will just take in the chicken feet. I will go to mix it and mix it and mix it. Oh my God. I can't remember when last I ate this, guys. I think when I was in Africa, I just thought of it. I said, what? What? Things like this is existing. I just thought that I said, guy, let me go for it. Let me go for it. Anything that I'm doing, I just love to. Sometimes I say, let me just share it. I know that the same way I forgot about it, there are other people in my show also. Maybe when they were in Africa or many years ago, that's when they ate it last. Some people have not even tasted it once because some people don't like it. Can you see how it looks like? Oh my God, this is yummy, guys. Sometimes you just use this to while I wait time. This is what this is the oil that keep life moving. Things that you think it doesn't matter. If you watch up to this point, I love you. Thanks so much. See you soon again in another satisfying video. Bye bye.